Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how we can write poetries. If you are a person who loves participating in competitions held worldwide but don't know how to write poems, this is the video for you. Watch till the end. First, choose a topic. Choose a topic in which you are interested. It could be anything. Common topics are love, friendship, nature, country, cleanliness, anything. Make sure that the topic interests you and your readers. Second, your poem should express your feelings and your feelings should be strong. It should portray your feelings to the reader about the author. Definitely, feelings displayed in your poems are more important than rhymes. Third, make your words rhyme. You can do it yourself by reading books, poetries, and find effective words which match your poetry. Second way is to use apps. I will name some in the description. Fourth, practice on topics. Practice makes a man perfect. After writing poetry, revise it time to time, and whenever you see changes, you can make them. Fifth, taking part in competitions. I will name some of the websites and publishers in the description. You can check them out for the competitions. Remember, poetry means free from boundaries. You can choose any topic which interests you and your readers. You can get and watch my poetry videos to get an example. This was the video. For more of such, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Bye guys, we will meet in the next video. Subscribe.